How to segment replies in Instantly.ai. Segmenting replies in Instantly.ai help you quickly sort through responses and focus on the lead that matter most. When replies start coming in, Instantly.ai automatically categorizes them as positive, neutral, negative, or out of the office using smart AI filtering. You can view this inside your campaign dashboard, and even after filtering to separate hot leads from uninterested ones. For example, positive replies might be prospect wanting more info, while neutral replies could need nurturing, and out of the office responses can be scheduled for later follow up. You could also tag or move contact into a new list based on the reply type, making it easy to create targeted follow up campaigns. By segmenting replies, you can save time, stay organized, and make sure no opportunity slips through the cracks. This way, Instantly.ai does the heavy lifting and you get focused on building conversations with the leads most likely to convert. So that's it.